This thing really is a toy. The advert that I watched on YouTube or on Instagram showed it as a huge, great, powerful sucking machine. It doesn't do anything. But I can't even pull the hair in. It does nothing. What's the point? It's pointless. There's no... Look, it's not even... There, it just sits there. Pointless, absolutely pointless. The advert I saw was crushing water bottles. This thing's got no suck. Look. It's got nothing, got no suck at all. And this one's just bad or what? What's wrong with it? Just absolutely rubbish. So if you can just give me the address to send it back to and send my money back, that'd be great. Thanks very much.